Greetings, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for Class 2, Subject General Science, Chapter 5, Keeping Oneself Clean and Healthy, Part 1. I request you all to follow the textbook while going through the lesson, going through the video. It becomes more easier for you. Now, your lesson, Keeping Oneself Clean and Healthy, is all about how you have to keep yourself and your surroundings clean, and what are the important things you should do to keep yourself clean and to keep your surroundings clean. So in the previous chapter, you learned that how it is important to have a healthy and a balanced meal to remain healthy, isn't it? We should have a balanced meal, a meal that should contain all the required nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats, and vitamins. It should have all of the things to keep us healthy. That is called a balanced diet. Now, keeping our body clean by removing dirt and germs from our body help us to be healthy. Keeping our body clean by removing dirt and germs from our body help us to be healthy. Not only eating good food, keeping our body clean is also important to keep our body healthy. Why should our body be healthy? Our body should be healthy because it is our body. It is very important to us, so it is our responsibility to keep the body healthy and clean. So keeping our body clean by removing the dirt and the germs from our body help us to remain healthy. Now, equally important is to live in a clean surrounding and a tidy surrounding. That means not only keeping your body clean, you should keep your house also clean. You should keep your surrounding clean. Not only your house, your street, the place where you live, everything should be clean. That is very important. We generate a lot of waste, isn't it? We generate vegetable waste, we generate paper, empty cartons, etc. All these things are generated at our houses. We generate a lot of waste. uh, Wherever we are human beings live, we do generate a lot of waste. But what do you do with this waste that we create every day? Now, this is not the waste that you create once in a week or anything. This waste is generated every day, right? So, what do you do from the waste that is being generated in our house every day? We should not throw this waste wherever we like. First of all, when you are collecting the waste in your house, it should be in a different two different dustbins. One dustbin should have all the wet waste. Wet waste means all the dirty kitchen waste. In the kitchen, we all usually generate the wet waste and dry waste. Two different dustbins you should have, and both the dustbins should collect different types of waste. First, a green color dustbin should have wet waste. Wet waste means all that fruit peels, vegetable peels, all the unnecessary waste that are generated in the kitchen, you should be thrown in a wet waste in one dustbin. Then the dry waste, like your plastic cups, your covers, all that unnecessary dry waste should be collected in the separate dustbin. So to keep our surrounding clean, we should have a good garbage disposal system. We should have a good garbage disposal system. We should always throw the garbage in the garbage bins because it makes the place tidy, isn't it? It keeps our now if you throw your garbage everywhere, it starts stinking. So garbage stinks and it makes the place dirty, so it should be separated and disposed correctly, otherwise it will come back to us. It will start stinking the whole place. Then when it starts stinking, it becomes more dirty, and if it becomes more dirty, a lot of germs, flies start growing there, and those germs and flies come to into our house and we will fall sick. So All these the insects and flies start growing, isn't it? Lot of garbages. Garbage is the breeding area for cockroaches, flies, insects, lot of dirty things, dirty animals, dirty insects start growing in those garbages. That is why it should be disposed well before you throw it out of your house. Okay. Now, garbage causes pollution, right? Pollution means when there is unwanted things present in our air or our soil, in the water, they are called pollution. Even garbage causes lot of pollution. In this picture, you can see that the garbage is lit on fire. There is lot of black smoke coming out. This black smoke gets mixed with the air and causes lot of pollution in the air. What happens if the air gets polluted? We breathe that air and we will fall sick. So this garbage disposal is very very important in our life. In that means even if you have to keep yourself clean and healthy, the garbage disposal is one of the very very important point that we need to follow. Make sure that we dispose garbage only in the dustbins. What happens if you throw garbage outside? It falls outside, nobody touches it, a lot of flies will start growing, a lot of mosquitoes will start growing, those mosquitoes will come to our house and it will harm us. So you should always throw the dustbin, always throw the waste into the dustbin, even when you are going outside, not only at home, even you're outside also, all the waste should be thrown properly in the dustbins. Never throw it on the roads or outside. Okay, we should make sure we should dispose the garbage only in the dustbin. Cleanliness helps in reducing diseases. Neat and clean surroundings also has a good effect on our mind. If our surrounding is clean, if our house is clean, if our street is clean, our mind also will be clean and neat. If you have clean and neat mind, you can play well, you can study well, and you will have a good health. So, cleanliness helps in reducing diseases. Clean surroundings make us feel happy and good about ourselves. Now, it is all our responsibilities, not only your parents or your siblings. It is all of our responsibilities to keep our surroundings clean. Now, what did you understand from this part of the chapter? That we should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean, and we should always eat a balanced meal that we keeps our body healthy. Thank you, children. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and keep learning. Thank you.